With design, there are so many pieces behind the scenes that no one ever really gets to see. I'm Evan Millárd. My business name is Millárd, and I'm located in Nashville, Tennessee. I got started in interior design about 12 years ago. I would describe my style as creating like a jewel box. And so I love creating spaces that a client really can experience from the moment that they enter. I love when a client walks into the space, when everything is said and done and kind of installed and styled, and just kind of seeing like that look of like amazement on their face when they walk in. This space is located here in Nashville, in a really contemporary condo building. And so my client wanted a place that was layered, glam, a little bit of rock and roll. And so I knew that I needed to add layers to it that kind of bridge the gap between contemporary and a little bit more classic. I was introduced to Woodgrain about 2 years ago, and when I was in the conceptual phase for this project, I knew that I needed to add detail to this design. And so I reached out to you guys at Woodgrain. The process was really smooth and simple. With molding, it's a great way to add a detail to an already existing space, such as like in this project. You can find me on my website, which is evanmillard.com. You can also find me on Instagram, and it's going to be Evan D. Millárd. Oh, this is going out in the world.